Children, we shall try to solve some IIT problems in terms of in the concept that which we have learnt in terms of volume. We shall try to do few problems. See now, we go for the first problem. You are provided with a measuring jar. You have given a measuring jar, a fine cotton thread and water. Explain how will you proceed to find the volume of glass stopper. There is a glass, this one we call it as glass stopper. It is just like whistle for your cooker, pressure cooker. It will be like that. Glass stopper means to close the glass. That is called glass stopper. So we have provided these things. How we are going to measure? First, what we have to do? Tie a thread to the glass stopper and take water in the measuring jar and put the mark on the measuring jar. Okay, how much the volume of water? Put a mark. Okay. After that, you slowly insert this glass stopper so that the water level is going to be increased. At first, you have to note the mark. Then, once you put the water level is going to be changed, that will be the second mark. Let it be y. First one will be x and second let it be y, the second one. And y minus x will give you what is known as your answer. Likewise, you can get it. Do it. Next one. See now, a hollow metallic cylinder. So this is a metallic cylinder, has an internal diameter of 70 centimeters. Internal, inside the diameter is not outside, only you have to measure the inside walls. The diameter is 70 centimeters and the height is 100 centimeters. Calculate the maximum volume of water which can be poured in it. We have to measure the volume. Since he has given in centimeters, first you try to do it the problem in centimeters itself. So diameter is 70 means radius is equals to half of it, that is 35 centimeters. Then what we are going to do? The formula is pi r square h. Pi r square into h. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius is half of the diameter, that is 35. R square in the sense 35 into 35. Okay. 1 second. 35. Let me erase this. Into R value is 35. Take it as small r. R value is 35. That is 35 into 35 r square into h. The value of h is 100 centimeters. So you can calculate this. This will be 7 ones are 7 fives are. 22 into 5 will be 110 into 35. 35 into 100 will give you 3500. So easily you can multiply, children. See here. You have 110 into 3500. You put the 3 zeros as it is first. 1, 2, 3. Then you multiply with 35. 35 into 1 is 35. 5, 3 carry. 35 into 1 is 35 plus 3, 38. 385 000. What is this? Centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So we already studied, children, 1 liter is equals to will be in terms of what is known as cubic centimeter. So this should be converted into cubic meters. Actually 1 centimeter is equals to I will use one more slide for this. Okay children, so this is the answer in terms of cubic centimeter. Now we need the answer in terms of liters as well as cubic meter. So for this what we have to do, I am going to take one more slide here. 1 centimeter cube is equals to, or 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 0.001 liters. Okay. So if this is the situation, we got the answer how much? 385,000. So 385,000 cubic centimeters is equals to 385,000 into 0.001. So for this, to multiply, after 3 digits we are having 0. 385 into 1 is 385. You write as it is. After 3 digits you are having point. You put the point after 3 digits. After 3 digits. So this will be in liters. 0.385 liters. We got the answer in terms of liters. Again we need the answer in terms of meter cube. For that sake what we do? 1 meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, right? So 1 meter cube is equals to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube, that is 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. We got the answer in terms of centimeter cube. Okay, we should convert this into meter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 6 meters cube. That implies 385,000 centimeter cube is equals to 385,000 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. So which is equals to 10 power minus 6 in the sense after this. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.385 meter cube. 0.385 in terms of meter cube and 0.385 in liters also. Okay, 385 in liters. So likewise we can get the answer. Next one, see the next problem. On dropping 3 identical bullets into a measuring jar, there is a measuring jar here. They are containing a liquid. In measuring jar there is a liquid, some sort of liquid. The level of the liquid increases from 280 to 316. See, at first, before dropping 3 bullets, the level of the liquid is 280 centimeter cube. When once the 3 bullets have been dropped into that liquid, the liquid level rises to 316. Then volume of each bullet is find in cubic meter cube. Meter cube, cubic meter you have to find it. See, first we go for centimeter, right? So, what is this? After we try to find the answer in terms of centimeter. After dropping the bullets, it has been raised to 316. So 316 minus 280 will give you the volume of bullets. Okay, volume of 3 bullets. So volume of 3 bullets is equals to volume of 3 bullets is equals to how much? 316 minus 280. 316 minus 280. How much you will get? 280 cubic centimeters. See now, 6, 3, okay, 36. What is that? 36. What is the unit? Cubic centimeter. Okay. So this is the volume of 3 bullets. we need the volume of each bullet. Volume of one bullet will be is equals to 36 by 3 cubic centimeter, which is equals to 12 cubic centimeter. 12 cubic centimeter is the volume of each bullet. So then find the volume of each bullet and find it in terms of cubic meter. You have to find it. Here we got in what is that, 12 centimeter cube. Okay, so 1 centimeter cube is equals to 10 power minus 6. We know that 1 centimeter cube is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. So then 12 centimeter cube will be equals to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. Likewise, we can find other things. See children, here you should learn the concept. You should have conversions from one to another, meter cube to centimeter cube in terms of liters, conversion. So if you solve such kind of problems, we can easily know how to convert the things, right? You try to do this kind of problems, then only you can get much subject. Otherwise you cannot get the much subject, right? Next one, an object X of volume 200 centimeter cube and Y has the volume 250 centimeter cube are taken. If their area is same, area C, see volume in the sense area into height, that is volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth will give you area, so volume is equals to area into height. So X will have the volume 200, Y will have volume 250. Let that height be Hx and Hy. You take it as Hx and Hy. We need to find the ratio. You can take it as H1 and H2 or Hx and Hy. It will be very easy for you to remember, children. Okay, right, see now. So the ratios are 200 by 250, that is 200 by 250 centimeter cube is equals to 200 is for x1, so that is Hx by Hy. 200 and 250, 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Centimeter cube units gets cancelled, so Hx by Hy will be equal to 4 by 5. It itself indicates that x and y, the ratio will be 4:5. 4:5 ratio, the object ratio. What is that? The ratio of their heights. Heights will be 4:5. Likewise, we can solve this question. The last one for this class. 4 spheres made of different materials. Here are the 4 spheres. They are made up of different materials but having the same mass. See children, the question is 4 spheres, they may be of different size but they have same mass. Okay, having the radii of 100 millimeter. The first sphere is 100 millimeters, second one is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meters, 30 centimeters, that is third radius, and the fourth radius is 10 power minus 5 kilometers. So if this is the condition, the sizes will be different. Now what we have to do, we have to then arrange them in ascending order. So before arranging this in ascending order, we should convert them everything into meter. Then it will be very easy for us. So first thing is 100 millimeter. This should be converted into meter. First we will convert this into meter. How we will convert? 100 millimeter is equals to, actually 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, or 100 into 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters, that is 1000 centimeters. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters, right? 1000 millimeters is equals to 1 meter. Here 100 millimeters they have given. We need 100 millimeters. So you just put this into 10 this side. So 1 by 10 meters, that is equals to 100 millimeters. So what is 1 by 10, which is equals to 0.1, which is equals to 0.1 meters. So first we have converted this into 100 millimeters, which is equals to 0.1 meters. Again it is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Take one more thing, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. This should be in decimal forms, we have to write, okay, 0.1 this one. In decimal form we have to write this. How we can write is, this can be written as 2 by 100, because 10 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 10 power 2. 10 square is nothing but 100. 2 by 100 meters, that will be equals to 2 by 100. If you divide it with before 2 decimals, that is 0.02 meters. Okay, 0.02 meters, that is second one. Okay, so the second one will be, what is that, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters is equals to meters. This can be written as 0.02 meters, right? 0.02 meters. Next, try to convert third one. 30 centimeters should be converted. 30 centimeters. For that sake, what we do, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, right? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Then 10 centimeters is equals to 1 by 10 meters, which is equals to 0.1 meters. 10 centimeters is equals to 0.1 meters. For 30 centimeters it will be, you multiply 0.1 into 3, that is 0.3 meters. So we also converted this, the third one. What is that? 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters is equals to 0.3 meters. And final one, 10 power minus 5 kilometers should be converted. Right, see now, 10 to the power of minus 5 kilometers is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to how much? 1000 meters, right? See here, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 10 power minus 5 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters can be written as 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 5 meters. Minus 5 plus 3 becomes 10 power minus 2 meters, which can be written as 0.01 meters. That can be written as 0.01 meters. Likewise, we have to convert all the things, children. The fourth one is 10 power minus 5 kilometer is equals to 0.01 meters, right? We have converted all. Now they are asked to arrange in ascending order. See, all are in meters now. So which is the least one? 0.01. You try to arrange that. 0.01 meter is lesser one, ascending order. It is less than. Next second one, 0.02. 0.02 meters, which is less than. What is the next one? This is 0.1 meter, right? Next is 0.1. The third one is 0.1. Okay, 0.1 meter, and the last one is 0.3. 3 meters. So now write the values of respective one. What is 0.1 meter? 0.01. Okay, first one is 0.01. Next is 0.02, right? Okay. Now what is 0.01? Which one? 10 power minus 5. So 10 power minus 5 kilometers is less than. What is 0.02? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters is less than, what is 0.1 meter? 100 millimeters is less than, what is 0.3? 30 centimeters. So which is the least one? 10 power minus 5. This is first one in ascending order. This is the first one. 2 power minus 2. This will be the second one. And what is the third one? 100 This will be the third one. And that will be the fourth one. Likewise, we can solve the problems, right? Okay, children. Bye. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, watch our channel. Please try to subscribe if you love my channel. Likewise, we are going to do several problems. These are the basics itself. Don't skip any problem or any question, so that you can learn the concept well. From 6th standard itself, you should learn many concepts. Then it will be very easy for forthcoming classes. Bye. Let us meet in the next class.